Now you have your new upgraded lenses from the Sunglass Fix. It's time to install them. It's pretty easy, but it might take a bit of jiggling and pressure to remove the lenses depending which frames you have. Because you're working with very stiff plastic frames, there is not much flexibility to pop the lenses out using our typical removal method, and you will have to apply heat. At home, you can either prepare a bowl of hot tap water, about 60 degrees Celsius, not boiling, and soak the sunglasses for 30 seconds. Or you can heat the area using a hairdryer or high heat. With a pair like the Dolce Gabbana Sunnies, you're looking for the thinnest part of the lens where you can remove it. It's typically at the bottom, but it can be near the nose. After applying the heat, pinch the frame at the sweet spot, the thinnest area where there is the most flexibility. Pinch the lens as close as you can to the spot as well, and tug away at the frame to twist the lens out. If this proves to be difficult, repeat the heating process with either the hot water or hairdryer, as heating the plastic softens it and creates more flexibility. Once you get the lenses to pop out at that sweet spot, work your fingers around the frame to remove it completely. Assure that there is no broken glass on the frames and prepare to install the new lenses. Installing your new lenses is much easier than removing the old ones. Just grab your new lens and insert it from the front. Line up the edge of the lens with the frame, inserting the lens in on the arm side first. Then use your thumb to work the lens into the nose area and gently pinch any remaining portion of the lens to secure it into the frame. You'll hear a clicking sound indicating your lens is in its place. Repeat this process with the second lens, and once both are in place, do a final safety check by visually inspecting and moving your finger around the rim of the frame to ensure that the lenses are completely in the rim before wearing them.